There is so many mental health support providers. But how it is possible that people are still suffering? And how it is possible that people still don't get help? Or don't get the proper help? Or to get help that heals? And a week ago, I heard from my colleague that his son is unable to go out to school. He's not going to school anymore because he's so anxious. And he's also seeing psychologist. So he's seeing psychologist and he's still unable to go out. He's still unable to act. I remember when I collapsed and I finally admit to my GP that I collapsed, I was weak. I couldn't manage and now I need help. And then my GP actually immediately recommended to go to a psychologist. And he was even clinical psychologist doing some lectures in university about cognitive behavioral therapy and psychotherapy. And then I met him 5 times. And during this 5 times 1 hour, so all in all I visited him 5 hours. I got him only 1 sentence. Actually 2 sentences. 1 sentence was that panic attack won't kill me. And this and that he told me on the 5th session. On the 5th session. After I had suffered 2.5 months in bed with panic attacks. On the 5th session he told me. So I had to pay him 5 sessions to find out that panic attack won't kill me. And the second sentence he told me that after we finish, I have to shake your hands because I have learned so much from you. Because I was open, I was sharing, I told how I feel, what I'm thinking, everything about it. And 5 years later, I started to coach myself, people, how to overcome anxiety, how to overcome anxiety attack, and how to overcome panic attack forever, for good. Because I came out by myself. Nobody didn't help me. Only 1 sentence psychologist told me that panic attack won't kill me. Anything else can happen with my body, but panic attack won't kill me. And that was actually very necessary information because I thought that it will kill me. I was so messed up. And then I started to work with myself at home, in bed. And after 5 days I overcame anxiety attack, migraine and panic attacks. And I was free. And I think 6 months later, I went to university to take the lecture, to take the study of cognitive behavioral therapy. And my psychologist was doing this lecture. And then I realized that he has no life experiences. And that's the reason why. I'm sorry if I insult someone. Don't take it personally. But I think that if you don't have your own real experience, then you cannot help anybody. And of course, every person is unique. Every situation is unique. But if you don't have any clue what is anxiety and then anxiety attack and panic attacks, you shouldn't consult a client because you have no idea what he's going through or what she is going through. You shouldn't waste your client's money and time. If you don't have your own personal experience, if you don't have your own personal healing and recovery from it, you shouldn't waste your client's time and money. But unfortunately, this is what psychologists do. And I remember I contacted many psychologists and I said that maybe we can cooperate, maybe we can work together. That I am consulting how to overcome anxiety and panic attacks. And they were not interested. They were not interested to get help or to share clients, or they were not interested. And I remember one psychologist, she was already aged. She was close to pension and she told me, write me your story how you recovered from anxiety and panic attacks and I will pay you. That was insulting and violent, I think. You want to pay for your client or for the person to get the healing story and then selfishly help clients. Instead, you should send your clients to the person who can help. This is the world, unfortunately. So if you're suffering, if you need help, think, and you would like to get free, and you would like to enjoy life, and you would like to jump high and scream that you are free, then contact me and let's dig out that anxiety. Let's dig out. And I will be with you. I will be for you. I will guide you. I will support you, and you are not alone. I will be for you. Just don't wait anymore. Just don't hurt yourself anymore. Don't suffer anymore. Contact me and let's work it out.